Good morning, children. So today we will start with the new chapter, that is lesson number 8, respiration in plants and animals. So children, tell me what is mean by respiration? Actually, it is the process in which exchange of gases, that means the oxygen is taking in and the carbon dioxide is releasing out, which is actually combined with the number of chemical process. Okay, and that process, because of that process, the energy is released from the food which we consumed. So understood respiration? So it is the what process? Okay, it is the process in which the energy from the food is released for the use. Okay, that energy releasing from our body which will be used for the different processes. Okay, and here then from where does we get the energy? That energy we get from the food we consumed. Okay, consumed means we eat. Okay, and here now see children, it is the inhalation of oxygen. Inhalation means taking in of oxygen, and exhalation means giving out. Okay, exhalation of carbon dioxide, which with some more steps, chemical steps. Along with that, energy is released from the food. Okay, simply if we say that, see children, it is actually a combustion also. Okay, form of combustion. It is the form of combustion. Combustion means burning. Okay, burning. Actually, for burning, for what? Burning the food. For that, what required? Oxygen. What required? Oxygen required. Even normal things also, if we wanted to burn, what required? It needs the oxygen. Okay, if there is a carbon dioxide, then what happens? It will be extinguished or will be put out. So, for the burning, the things or the food, whatever it is, for burning process, oxygen is required. Okay, understood? Now see children, there is a difference between combustion and respiration. Okay, so in this children, here in this combustion, here the energy is released, that means rapidly. Okay, rapid release of energy. But there it is a step by step release. Okay, step by step. Stepwise, you can say that stepwise release of energy. So it's a gradual stepwise. So suddenly it will not release the energy. Understood? Here combustion and respiration. Now in the respiration process there are two phenomena. Okay, what are they? Respiration process, two phenomena. What are the two phenomena? One, it is, we can say that breathing. Okay, it is breathing, and another one is the respiration. Understood? These two are the process of respiration. Okay, breathing and respiration. Here breathing, actually here what we do? Taking in of the oxygen and giving out of the carbon dioxide. That will be what? External process. So it is an external process. Understood? Only the exchange of gases takes place, and here no energy is released. No energy released. But here children, in respiration, actually it takes place inside the cells. So it is internal. It is internal process, okay, because it takes place inside the cell. So otherwise we can say that cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Here children, in this actually energy released, okay. Here in the breathing energy will not release, but here in the respiration the energy released. Understood this? Here it is actually a physical process because taking place outside only. So it's a physical process, but it is a biochemical process. Understood? Now one activity is there, okay, in your book, that is actually during respiration heat is released. That only we have to prove that heat is released during respiration. For that what we have to do, actually take two test tube, okay, take two test tube, test tube 1 and here test tube 2, okay. We can say even A or we can say B, both. And in both, first one what we have to take here, we have to take germinated seeds, okay, germinated seeds. Germinated seeds, and in this we have to take boiled seeds, okay. That germinated seeds means the seeds we are taking it and soaking in water, and then afterwards it started to grow. That only the germinated seeds. That seeds becomes after become a plant, okay. But here boiled, these are the boiled seeds. In boiled seeds, once we boil, what happens? The cells inside it will be die. So it will not produce any more things. No processing will be taken place, okay. And here then both we have to in both the test tube we have to take a thermometer, okay. Keep a thermometer, both of them. So here in this there is the reading also there, okay. Reading, this is the mercury level inside. It shows the rise or fall in temperature. Inside there will be the readings, okay. So children, see, at the beginning, just a starting time, initial time, we have to mark the temperature here. So in that time children, here this one the germinated seeds, here the temperature, this just mark it this here. But here it is more high because it is boiled. So that time it will be, it is having heat, right? Understood? Now after, then keep it like this. After few hours again we have to check the temperature. That time you can see that here this is the germinated seeds, right? Here the temperature level will be raised from here to here. That means it is increased. The temperature level is increased, and here you can say as it is, okay, it remains the same, or we can say it reduce. You can say it reduce also, because this boiled seeds at that time it becomes hot, and after few hours again it may cool, right? So the temperature may slow down, right? So understood from this experiment, what you understood? That means during respiration, because here it is germinated seed, it is growing, so there is a biochemical process is also there, right? So it respire during that energy releasing. So along with it, heat is also produced. So heat is released during respiration. Here it is, there is no changes. Understood this activity? Okay children? Thank you children. Take care of you.